If you're in a power station, the emergency generator is usually located either in a separate compartment from the main building, the boiler house or the turbine house, or it will simply be located 50 meters away, 150 feet or whatever, away from the building. So that if there's damage to the boiler house or the turbine or anything else, the emergency generator should not be damaged as well. We've already mentioned that if a ship runs into an iceberg, then certain areas of the ship will flood. For this reason, emergency generators are not installed below the waterline. So for this reason, emergency generators have to be fitted behind this collision bulkhead. Like I mentioned, they'll be fitted above the waterline. They always have to be accessible from an open deck, which means that you shouldn't have to go into the vessel in order to access the emergency generator. You should be able to access it from outside. But every industry, power generation, oil and gas, they will also have criteria that dictates exactly how these emergency generators should be installed, what they should be capable of achieving, and how the generator and its associated systems need to be set up. The reason you put the emergency generator in its own room is because you want it to be isolated as much as possible from the surrounding area. If you're on a ship and you have a problem in the engine room and the emergency generator is installed in the engine room, let's imagine for a moment we hit an iceberg, the engine room floods, the emergency generator is in the engine room, and then the emergency generator will no longer function because it's swimming underwater. For this reason, the emergency generator is not located in the engine room. There's also legislation dictating that the emergency generator should be able to operate even if the vessel is tilted to one side, port or starboard, or is tipped in any direction such as fore or aft. If a ship is tilted to port or starboard, we actually call that a list. If the front of the ship tends to be pointing up and the back is down, or vice versa, then we call that the trim.